Hello, friend. How are you doing?
Good, good.
Good. And are you a Christian yourself or a
No,
Muslim?
Muslim.
You're a Muslim. Okay. So you can have a nice conversation. Hello, got it.
Is this recording, bro?
Yeah, it's recorded.
Oh, my days.
Yeah, please. But
I don't have evidence on me if you want to ask.
you haven't got evidence.
No, I'm here, brother, to check it out. I do not bring script.
No. But even if you mention rough details, that's good
No, I
enough.
know a bit, but like, not too many details, you know?
Okay, sure. So if you stand here, so you understand that Islam is a religion of violence, don't you?
Violence, like how?
I mean, Islam.
Tell me.
I mean, have you read the Quran yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah. And in the Quran, you have Muslims fighting.
Yeah, war. Like
Fighting
about
wars.
wars.
Yeah. Fighting. Yeah. And fighting against people who had rejected Islam.
Enemies.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
enemies, but who have rejected. The criteria for the fight was they had rejected Islam. That's the criteria.
Right.
Are you aware of this or not?
Okay, what I'm aware of
Yeah.
regarding war is that war, we're taught to protect ourselves. So let's say you're attacking my village, I'm allowed to protect myself. That's one. And also,
So who was attacking who in this case?
in the wars,
Yeah. In the Quran,
in the ancient wars,
in the wars recorded here, who was attacking who?
I don't know, specifically.
So, in other words, you've been told a fantasy story.
No, you said that's context. Yeah, as I said, I didn't bring the evidence to give you the context.
You should give me a rough idea. Who
Yeah, I
was
told you.
attacking who?
Who was attacking who? So this is like, like Turkey back in the day.
I'm not talking about. I'm talking about the Quranic times.
Yeah, Ottoman times.
I'm talking about Quranic times.
Yeah.
In the Quran,
Yeah.
if you have read the Quran records multiple times when Muslims went berserk, going around fighting unbelievers. They went berserk. Anyone who, in their view, performed idolatry, which is Christianity, Judaism, Jews they went berserk and went to kill them just because they had rejected Islam. Are you aware of this or not? You are aware of this. Are you
I wanna
happy with
tell
this
you.
idea?
Okay, you
Are
say
you happy with the idea that Muslims can go around killing people just because they had rejected Islam? Are you
Yeah.
happy with the idea?
But everyone did that back in the day. Christians did that
Please,
as well.
one second. Don't laugh, this is serious business. Don't
not,
laugh,
I'm
this is serious business. I'm asking
serious.
you again, please. Are you happy with the idea that Muslims went around killing Christians and Jews just on the basis that they had rejected Islam? Are you happy with this idea?
So you're telling me that because they rejected it, they killed them
Yeah.
like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that good?
I'm not going to comment on this.
But is that good? If this is the case, if this is the truth, is this good?
No comment.
What do you mean no comment? This should be
No comment.
This should be straightforward, simple to comment.
But there's a
Let me. I'll
reason.
repeat this again.
There's a
please.
reason
I'll,
you're missing out.
One second. I'm repeating just to make sure we are on the same page. The early Muslims who are recorded in the Quran, they went to kill Jews and Christians purely on the basis that they had rejected Islam. Purely on that basis. Now, you may or may not know the details, that's fine. I can give you the details later. But if this is true, is this a good thing?
I'll need to know more. I cannot comment on something which I don't know. There
can.
must be
You
a
can.
greater reason, my bro.
What is the greater reason? Muslims going to kill Jews and Christians because they did not become Muslims. What greater reason is there?
I need context.
What
I need to
greater
read about
context?
this, the history of the
I mean, it should be,
why it's happening.
it should be very, very simple. If
No,
I
you're
go,
shortening it. You're summarizing it, but I know it's more than that. There's more to it.
What more do you think?
There's more to it.
What more?
So what more? I mean, like, what caused it? Why they did this? What caused it? You know?
Let me
Stuff
show
like
you.
that, yeah.
Let me show you. For example,
What book? So this is the classic Quran.
this is the what?
No, I'm just looking at what book it is.
What is this? This is an English translation of the Quran. Yeah? For example, you get a simple instruction here. Fight is, can you read that for me, please? Surah
Fight.
9:29.
Yes, fight against such those who have been given the scripture as believe not in Allah nor the last day, forbid, in which Allah has forbidden by His Messenger, and follow not the religion of truth unless they pay the tribute readily, being brought low.
So you've been
Okay,
given an
cool.
instruction.
Thank you for that.
Yeah.
Yep.
Is this a good idea?
Is this a good idea? Okay.
Just
What-
because they had rejected Islam, do you think Muslims have the right to fight these people?
Okay, I'll give you my view, sir.
Yeah.
So I believe war, right, is bad unless you're protecting yourself.
This has nothing to do with protection.
Yeah, that's what I believe about war.
yeah. This one, the people had rejected Islam, and that is the reason given. Can you see this? Have been given the scripture. People who have received the scripture, who are Jews and Christians, you know that, yeah?
Yeah.
As believe not in Allah. They don't believe in Allah, nor the last day, as given by Muhammad, yeah? And forbid not that which Allah has forbidden by His messenger. In other words, very simply, long story short, they refuse to become Muslims.
Yeah.
And follow not the religion of truth. They refuse to become Muslims. Is it a good idea for Muslims to fight them just because they refused Islam?
Okay, but where does it say fight?
Well, the first word.
Fight. Okay, okay. No, you're allowed to fight a disbeliever, but it doesn't mean go kill them. You're interpreting it as, oh,
what can you
go
do?
attack them. We're not saying go attack them for no reason.
Fight. What is a fight there?
You're allowed to fight the opposition.
There's
if
no
there's a
opposition.
reason, if there's a greater reason.
What
It's
is
like
a
dying
greater
for
reason?
A cause.
No, wait a second. What is a greater? So the Jews and Christians are minding their own business. They were minding their own business. The Islamic army wanted them to become Muslims. Now, if they're not convinced, of course they won't. They wanted them to become Muslims. And when they refused to become Muslims, the Muslims were given the instruction to fight them.
Yeah.
What greater reason is there?
So in the past, there was wars, religions versus religions. That's what it was.
Focus on this.
That's
verse.
how I interpret it.
Focus, please.
You interpret it
Yeah,
differently.
you're not giving lame excuses.
No.
Please,
I interpret it differently.
give me give me a good interpretation of this verse.
I have. I gave you 2 or 3. But
This
you-
has nothing to do with past wars and so on. Please focus here. Why would Muslims be sensible to fight people just because they refuse to receive Islam? Why would they be sensible?
Okay, brother, if this is the case, why Muslims in the world now, we do not attack random people? It's rare.
Are you no? Can I please
In
ask
fact,
you
we're
to
the ones
focus?
getting attacked. So
Can I-
why are we not attacking it? If
Can I please ask you to focus?
No, you're
because you're
taking it
throwing
out
one
of
lie
context.
after another.
You're taking
Just
it out of
you're
context.
throwing one lie
no.
after another to hide the elephant in the room. Can I please ask you to stay focused here? I'm asking you a simple thing. And I'm asking you very simply, is it sensible for the Muslims to go and fight the Jews and Christians purely because they rejected Islam? Is that a sensible thing to do?
You're saying like, oh, attack a civilian. That's how it sounds.
Check this out.
That's how you interpret
Okay,
it.
you tell me.
It's up for interpretation. As you said, that's how you interpret it, right? But I
Can you
interpret
read
it
English?
differently. People interpret stuff differently.
Can you read English?
Yes.
Tell me. Read this
Oh,
verse
I already
again.
read it. I'm not reading it again.
Tell me where these Jews and Christians were armed. Tell me.
No, I think you're missing the bigger picture.
Now,
Because
wait a second. You said civilian. I'm assuming you mean unarmed civilian. So tell me, where were these people armed? The Christians and the Jews here in verse 29, were they armed? Where do you get the idea they were armed?
no, we don't kill civilians, guys.
Well, look, you read here. Please
Yeah.
read. I'm not asking you for your propaganda.
Bro, that's
Read
one
here, please.
paragraph. Read the whole damn page.
Every little way, it fails.
Every little helps.
No, please listen.
Yeah.
Quran fails every little step of the way. It fails every little step of the way.
What are you?
I am a Christian.
Okay. As a Christian, is Jesus God or a messenger to you?
How does that help this verse?
No, I want to know the situation.
Now, I want to know how that helps the problem at hand.
So why are you attacking a religion?
I'm not attacking religion.
Why
I'm
can't
trying
you
to
promote yours if
I'm
it's so
trying
right?
I am trying to get
Love
sense
thy
out
neighbor.
of
Love thy neighbor.
my friend.
Yeah,
Are you
Love
too
thy
afraid?
neighbor.
Are you too indoctrinated
No, why are you
to make a simple comment?
You're attacking
Excuse me,
religion.
one second. You're a young man.
Yeah.
Are you too indoctrinated to make a simple comment that this verse is Wrong.
I answered it how I want to answer it.
I know.
If
You were
you
trying
don't
to
like
evade.
that,
You were trying to evade and ignore every single detail here. That's what you tried to do. And I'm a bit. So what could give anyone the confidence that tomorrow you won't begin actually following this to Christians and Jews here in the UK?
Well, I'll tell you why this is wrong. I'll tell you why.
This is
your
wrong, yeah?
interpretation.
So 929
No, your interpretation. Can I have one?
Five for him.
Okay, if this is true, if your interpretation is true, why are the Muslims in the world getting attacked the most out of everyone
Where?
in the world?
Where?
What do you mean where? Palestine, China, all over Asia. We're the ones
Where?
getting attacked
Palestine?
the most.
The Muslims are getting attacked? When
So
when
you
did this
support
happen?
Israel?
When did this happen?
Have you not seen the history?
When did this happen?
So you're saying Israel's on the right side?
Will you answer my questions at all or not? You're
Do you
confused
want me
right
to
now.
give you a date? Do you want me to give you a date? 1945. There.
1945.
From then until now.
Sure.
Corruption's
always-
still happening.
Okay. Listen to me again, please. Because clearly you might not know facts. Are you aware of the fact that
What?
the Jews in the land called today, back then also called the British Mandate of Palestine, Jews were attacked in terrorist operations
Bye.
by the local Arabs pre 1948. Are you aware of this?
That is false. That's the biggest bullshit I heard in my life.
In other words, you just are unaware.
We welcome the Jews, and this is
Who is
this
the we?
how
Are
they
you from
repay us.
Palestine?
The Muslims.
No, who are you to welcome the Jews there?
I'm Muslim. Muslim community.
Who are you to welcome the Jews there?
Muslims in Palestine welcome the Jews.
So who is the we there? You said earlier we welcome
We
the
Muslims as a community. You don't say we Christians.
Jews. Look, is that your land?
Is it my land? Me?
Yeah.
No.
So why did you say we?
It's Oh my God. Are you gonna
Why
let me
did you
finish?
say we?
Are you gonna let me finish?
Yeah, I'm asking you. Why did you say we?
Because we as Muslims, as a community, Right,
Well,
okay.
when did you begin owning Palestine as a community?
it began to us first. We welcome the Jews, and this
I'm
is how
asking
they
a
repay
question
us.
on this again.
Yeah.
When did Muslims own that land?
The whole time.
The whole time.
Brother, if you know history, you know that Palestine came first. If you don't believe that,
First to
you're a
what?
fool.
First to what?
Huh?
First to what?
My point is, Palestine came first, then Israel.
Third before what? Then Israel.
Israel's
Are
a
you
fake
kidding?
state. It's
Where did
man-made.
Jesus?
Israel
Where was
is a
Jesus?
bastard country.
Where was Jesus?
Where was Jesus? In the Middle East,
Where?
specifically.
Yeah.
In the Middle East.
Where?
What country?
Yeah.
Well, Palestine.
Palestine. Was there a Palestine in the first century?
You tell me, where did Jesus come? You tell me.
He came. In my awareness of history, he
Where's
came.
from? Yeah.
The land is called Judea. He came from Judea, and the land is called Samaria. Judea and Samaria. The word Palestine did not exist at that time. I don't know where you got your indoctrination from. Was that from your local masjid?
Free Palestine.
I know free. Can I have 2 free Palestines, please? Thank you. So you clearly don't know history.
You
Yet
don't know history. Palestine came first.
929.
Israel is a bastard.
What confidence? What confidence should anyone have?
Whoever knows history knows man's got
Sure. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Ban Israel, bro. Huh? What do you mean, like,
All right.
Do your research, honey.
My friend, excuse me, my friend. Can I please? I asked you many questions. You were clueless.
I asked you to my.
I asked you many questions. You were clueless. Best thing is go through some primary education.
He's a young man. He's still learning.
But he's indoctrinated before he learns. Not a good idea. Don't take into.
You're a professional. He's a young man.
No. My
Why are you
point is.
attacking my religion?
Listen to me carefully, please. Don't give in to tyrannical political ideology
Like what?
before you've learned history. Don't do that. Never do that.
So you're saying to me Israel came first?
I gave you the information that you needed. Now, if you want to quibble,
Okay. Where did you
grievance,
get that from?
any
BBC News?
grievance, you can make it to the canteen there, the cafe there.
Brother, okay. If you believe that your message is the right word,
Yeah, go on.
then instead of attacking, you should be promoting it, saying, "Oh, we're right." But it seems like you're attacking Islam.
When did I?
When
are you,
this,
are
as
you
Christians,
serious?
love thy neighbor. Why are you attacking my religion?
Did you? Okay.
We don't
Did I
attack
fight you? Did I
What?
fight you?
Huh?
Did I fight
No,
you?
no. But it's your tone and the
But
way you're wording
the
it.
Quran says, "Fight me."
I'm not fighting you, bro.
So-
I'm cool with you.
I know. You're not a good Muslim. I understand that.
I'm not a good Muslim. You see that?
Of course.
Judging. He's judging me. That's like me saying
if you
you're a
don't
bad
follow the
Christian.
Quran-
Who are you to say that, bro? Are
Who
you
is a
God?
good Muslim?
Huh?
Who is a good Muslim?
I don't know. That's for God to say.
For someone who follows the Quran, is he a good Muslim?
For someone who follows the Quran and the words of God and
Someone
the
who follows the
message-
Quran is a good Muslim.
yeah, the message of God.
And when the Quran says fight, if you fight, you're a good Muslim. If you don't fight, you're not a good Muslim.
Well, the reason you fight, is it justified? Don't fight for no reason.
What is the justification?
We don't say blow up.
What is the justification here? Let's go back there because you clearly can't deal with the facts. What's the justification here? What's the justification here?
What do you mean? You're showing me one paragraph. If you read the whole thing,
Yeah. Let's read the whole thing,
brother,
please.
did you read all the Quran?
I read all the Quran multiple times.
Cool.
Don't give me nonsense, please.
No, I'm
What's the
asking you.
justification? What's the justification?
Why are you so obsessed with this bit? I don't get it.
Because I showed you one verse and you didn't read and explain that to
I
me.
have like 4 times.
Why? So fighting. What is the basis for the fighting?
Like
Please
what?
read. No. What is the basis? On what criteria do you choose who to fight?
Brother, you're showing me one verse. I'll show you the Bible. Get 10 fake verses,
Look.
bro.
You refuse to read and explain one verse, and you want me to show you 5 verses?
Guys,
There we go. He
this
can't
is
read.
manipulation.
Yeah,
Cancel my man.
I understand. The Quran is manipulation.
This is haram.
Don't give in to the
This is
Quran. I know the Quran is haram.
You're haram.
Don't give in to the Quran.
You
It's
are
haram. It's a
This guy's
nonsense.
a fake Christian. Love thy
Fake.
neighbor.
Thank
I'm a
you.
realer Christian than
Good,
you, and
good.
I'm not even a Christian.
Lovely to see you.
Love you too. Have a nice day.
Love, good to see you. God's blessings. Yeah. But you need to really get to terms with the reality of Islam. Are you a Muslim, sir?
No hate.
You're not. Okay.
No
That's
hate,
good.
okay? No hate.
No. But
No hate. Have a good day.
I'm not saying you have hate. I'm saying the Quran has
no
hate,
one does.
and you are irresponsible in really saying, "Hey, this has hate. I need to stop following it." That'll be a responsible man. You did not do it,
Okay,
so I'm
tell
not
me
calling
this.
you. I'm not calling you a hateful man. I'm calling you an irresponsible man. So
Okay.
maybe in a couple of years' time, when you grow up a little bit more, you will take responsibility seriously and say, "Hey, look, the Quran is evil. Stop following it." Maybe in a couple of years' time. Maybe today you don't have the necessary, let's say, bravery to do that. But in a couple of years'
I
time,
spoke to you on camera, brother.
I know.
That's bravery, bro.
But to say the Quran is wrong, you didn't have the bravery, yeah.
Because I don't believe that.
Okay, sure. Thank you very much. Good to see you. Nice speaking to you so far. Thank you very much. I need to now move on. Speak to some other people. So because most Muslims.
Jesus prayed to
No,
God.
enough.
That's all I'm saying.
When did you see
Prayed
this?
to God. He's a messenger.
Yeah.
And he's coming back to kill the fake Messiah.
How much have you
You know
read
the,
the Bible?
fake Messiah? Do you believe the
How
fake
much have you read the Bible?
Huh? I've got one in my house. You know Jehovah?
Excuse me. Listen to me.
Yeah?
The question is simple. The question isn't have you got a Bible at home?
Half of it.
How much have you read?
Half of Jehovah.
Half of Jehovah.
Yes. I just started reading that. Jehovah.
Are you?
Brother, you got
Have
5
you got a
Bibles,
problem?
bro.
Have you got a
You've got like 20
comprehension
Bibles.
problem?
Huh?
Have you got a comprehension
Okay, keep
problem?
insulting me.
I'm asking you, how much of the Bible have you read?
Half of it. I just told you.
Half of the Bible. You've read half of the Bible. So you've read half of the Bible. Do you find anywhere in the Bible where Christians have been asked to go fight people who refuse to become Christians?
I don't remember that. I'm not gonna lie.
It doesn't exist.
Well, I read half the Bible, so.
In the half that you've read, did you come across anywhere where Christians were told by Jesus to go fight if someone doesn't receive Jesus?
Well, back in the day, right?
No, don't give me story.
Oh.
Please answer my question.
Let me answer how I want to answer. That's it. Come on, brother.
So I'll try to find. I'm looking for the answer to the question. Does Jesus instruct his followers to fight when people refuse to become Christians? That's what I'm looking an
I
answer
don't know
for.
that. I don't know that.
Okay, then don't give me story. When you don't know, just say I don't know. Don't start a story. Yeah.
No, I'm
But the Quran says this. So it's very simple for you to choose. Quran versus the Bible. Bin the Quran, follow the Lord Jesus Christ. Any day, every day. Otherwise, you're wasting your time. Can I please give you a gift, please, my friend? Evidence for Quran, zilch. No point in following. This is, you can read, this is a book that I've written. Evidence for Jesus Christ. Yeah, God's blessings, brother. Evidence for Jesus Christ, plenty to be spoken about. Evidence for the Quran, zilch. Please listen to me. Evidence for the Quran being a revelation. You can have the choice is between a small zilch and a big zilch. But still the same zilch. It's not useful to follow the Quran. The Quran is not a revelation from anyone, remotely God. Time to leave Islam, yeah? Good to see you. Not worth following the Quran. Are you upset right now? What's going on? Are you upset right now? Are you thinking what's going on?
I'm thinking.
Thinking, please think. Please think and let. Wednesdays, here on the third page or something, you should have the email address there. Please email. Join our live stream. Wednesday live stream, yeah?
Yeah. Yo, guys,
On YouTube.
No hate.
No
Love,
hate.
Love to everyone.
No hate.
Share the
Leave
video.
Islam. Leave Islam.